Natural freedom. It's about bringing the outside into your home. It's about borrowing from nature. You look at texture, colour, pattern, opposites. It's how nature puts it together that makes it so appealing. And if we do that in our home environment, it makes us have that same sense of harmony and peace that we get when we look outside. Natural freedom is a great look when you've got a busy life and busy family. For me, it would be a look that I would use. It's a look that I love because it's soft and it's relaxing and it's inviting, but it also hides a multitude of sins. With children and dogs and everything else that's going on, I know that I can cover things up. I've got texture, I've got throws, I've got colour. It just hides things that possibly would stand out more if you were looking at a more structured, cleaner look.